So hi everyone, welcome back to Data Science in Your Pocket. And yesterday DeepSeek has released the biggest model ever, that is DeepSeek V4. The model has been released in two versions, that is DeepSeek V4 Pro and DeepSeek V4 Flash. And even the benchmark, the model looks decent. Here you can see that it is outperforming Opus 4.6, 5.4x high GPT on multiple benchmarks, a little behind Gemini 3.1 Pro. The model is huge. I think it has 1.6 trillion parameters in the Pro version and 248 billion parameters in the Flash version. So running it locally is just not possible for poor guys like me and you who don't have enough GPU. So what's the alternate without paying a penny? How can you run DeepSeek? So right now Nvidia is providing free API keys. Yes, you heard it right. They are providing free API keys for everyone. You can create that free API key using any email and then can use DeepSeek V4 Pro and V4 Flash for free. Yes, you heard it right. You can use both the models for free. So in this short video, I'll be showing you how you can use the model for free using the free API key from Nvidia without paying a single penny in 5 minutes. So you can see that I'm on Nvidia NIMS page. I'll be sharing the link in the comment section below, so don't worry about it. Here you can see that I'm on DeepSeek AI DeepSeek V4 Pro. You can see that V4 Pro and V4 Flash are visible now. You can chat with the models also, and let me first of all do this. Which number is larger, 9.11 or 9.8? The model looks quite fast, and I was testing it on deepseek.com, and right now it is hosted on Nvidia as well. So by the time it generates the output for us, you can also use the codes to hit the API key that is free, giving you 40 RPM per minute. That means 40 hits per minute. So if you click on the view code on the top right, here you can see that the code is here. You can see the Python script is this one. Just click on generate API key. It will generate an API key for you. For this, you need to log in into your NVIDIA NIMS account. That is very important. So first of all, log in with a valid email ID. As you can see, my email ID, my API key is visible now. I'll be deleting this, so don't worry. Don't try to copy this. This will get deleted. I'll be just copy pasting this code, and then I'd be going to DeepSeek API, this particular section. By the time, you can also check out DeepSeek V4 Flash. Here, DeepSeek V4 Flash is also available. So both the versions of the new DeepSeek model has the free API key on NVIDIA. You can write which number is larger, 9.11 or 9.8. If you click here, let me see whether it is able to run it or not. And in the code section also, again, the same method goes in. You just need to change the model name here from V4 Pro to V4 Flash. Everything else remains the same. You can turn off these commands also, think equals to true, reasoning effort equals to max. You can change these things too. So in this way, not just DeepSeek V4 Flash and Pro, the multiple other models also present, that is GLM 5.1, GLM 4.7, Minimax M2.7, Mistral, Gamma 4.3, 31B, etc. All the major models do have a free API key. Yes, this is completely free. You don't need to pay a single penny on this special platform, that is NVIDIA NIMS. So this is how you can run the DeepSeek V4 free API key using NVIDIA NIMS. Just copy paste the code in Google Colab and try running the code. It shall work smoothly. If you want smaller time, just remove thinking and reasoning effort as lower. This should work for you. Thank you so much. I hope you have a great day.